Here's number 68, thermochemistry out of the book. It is telling you in a coffee cup calorimeter, it's like a styrofoam cup, they're dissolving 1.6 grams of ammonium nitrate in 75 grams of water that's at 25 degrees Celsius. So really, it's just this solid dissolving, it's ionic, so it's splitting apart into its ions. And it wants to know what is the enthalpy change in kilojoules per mole of this. So for every mole of this, how much heat is absorbed or released. Now the temperature of this is a little bit confusing. The temperature of the solution goes down from 25 to 23. So that heat is going into this as it dissolves. So it's going to be a positive sign here. Heat is going from that solution into that solid to make it dissolve. And it tells us the specific heat of the solution, which a lot of times will not be 4.18, might be 4.2, might be something a little bit different because it is the ammonium nitrate and the water together. So whenever it gives you a specific heat of a solution, not just water, make sure you take these masses together. So I'm going to do a little Q equals MC delta T of the solution. So our solution mass would be 75 plus that would be 76.6 grams. 4.18 is what they gave us for specific heat of the solution. Change in temperature is our 25 minus 23.34. When we do this, we get a Q of about 532 joules. Well, it wants to know kilojoules per mole. This would be joules, it's important here, per 1.6 grams of ammonium nitrate. There was that many joules of heat absorbed by 1.6 grams of ammonium nitrate. Now we need to get that into kilojoules per mole. So I'm going to go joules on the bottom, 1,000 joules per kilojoule. So that'll get kilojoules on top, which is what we want. We want kilojoules per mole. So we need to go grams of NH4NO3 per mole of NH4NO3, which is about 80 grams. Grams cancel, we're going to have moles in the bottom. End up with about 26.6 kilojoules per mole. So that is the delta H for that reaction. That's the enthalpy change. For every mole of this it dissolves, it absorbs 26.6 kilojoules of heat.